Most people panic when tax season comes. They rush to find receipts, hire random agents, or worse, ignore the process. The truth is, filing taxes isn't as hard as people make it seem. Once you learn how to do it yourself, you'll never fear it again. You'll understand where your money goes, how much you owe, and how to avoid overpaying. In this video, you'll learn how to file your taxes as a beginner step by step. If you earn income, you must pay taxes. Whether you're an employee, a freelancer, or a small business owner, filing your taxes keeps you legal and helps you qualify for loans, contracts, and government benefits. Think of this as your yearly report card to the government. Once you understand the basics, you'll handle taxes with confidence instead of fear. The first step is to understand which tax applies to you. Personal income tax if you earn a salary or run a small side business. Company tax if your business is registered as an LLC or corporation. Value-added tax if you sell products or services regularly. Each has different rules and deadlines. Once you know which one applies, you can start collecting the right documents. Don't wait till the deadline. Start early. You'll need proof of income, payslips, invoices, or bank statements, expense records, rent, utilities, equipment, etc., identification documents, your tax identification number, 10. Organize everything neatly. This makes filing easier and faster. Digital receipts work too. Store them in a folder labeled by year. Your tax is calculated based on your taxable income, not your total income. That means you can subtract certain expenses before paying taxes. These are called deductions. For example, business costs like rent, advertising, or supplies, health insurance, donations to registered charities. If you track your expenses properly, you'll pay less tax legally. Most people overpay because they ignore deductions. You have two options: manual filing at your local tax office, online filing through your country's official tax portal. Online filing is faster and gives you instant confirmation. You fill in your income, deductions, and tax ID, then the system calculates what you owe. If you're due a refund, it will also show up there. Before submitting, double-check your details. A small mistake, like entering a wrong ID number or missing income, can delay approval or trigger an audit. Review your form line by line. Make sure the numbers match your records. Once everything looks right, hit submit and keep a digital copy for your files. If you owe taxes, pay through your bank or approved payment portal immediately. Late payments attract penalties. If the system shows you overpaid, you'll get a refund. Track it until the funds hit your account. After payment, save your receipt. It's your proof that you're tax compliant. You might need it when applying for visas, tenders, or grants. Filing taxes is a skill. Once you learn it, you'll never depend on anyone to do it for you. You'll save money, stay compliant, and avoid stress. If this video helped you understand how to file your taxes, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll share more videos teaching you how to handle legal and financial topics with confidence. Take control of your money, take control of your future. See you in the next video.